Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we're revealing our wall control installation, which is part of our larger garage makeover.
So come join us as we show you how it all came together.
We started by unpacking all the wall control panels. These panels were packed very well in heavy-duty boxes and nothing was damaged during the shipping process. After we got all the panels unpacked, we laid them out and tested the location. We used a laser level to make sure our panels were placed nice and level on the wall.
Here you can see we're trying to find the studs inside the wall. This is what the studs look like inside the wall, and these wall control panels are designed to fit right between the studs, and ideally they should be placed on studs.
We put our first panel in place and moved on to getting the first row done. Here you can see us drilling pilot holes and putting the anchors into place. Once the panel was in place, we secured it with 6 screws.
Each panel comes with 6 anchors and 6 screws. If you're not going to be able to attach the panels to studs, then you want to use the anchors, which we needed to.
You're probably wondering why we covered up that outlet. Well, that outlet sparked a lot of electrical changes we made here in the garage, and you can see where we talked all about it in the video we made on lighting. You can see that right here.
With our first wall completed, we moved on to the next section.
We want to give a big thank you to Wall Control, who provided the panels and pegs that we used in this project. We're also brand ambassadors for Wall Control, and if you want to check that out on their website, you can see it right here.
We started really getting into a groove. Mom drilled the holes, I placed the anchors, Mom held up the panel, and I screwed it into place. And then, well, I can't explain this. Oh, Mom. It took about 2 hours to figure out the placement and get all the panels installed. Once we were done, we moved on to finding the best place for our pegs and products. This paper towel holder works great for tape storage. But we also got one for paper towels. We found these baskets in someone's trash, and we found a great location for them on the pegboard. We ordered a variety of hooks and pegs so that we could find the best way to display all our tools. This is actually made for screwdrivers, but we found it worked perfect for our spade bits. We really like having the shelves at the top so we can get a little bit extra storage out of our wall. The best part of Pegboard is the ability to change them at any time, and you're never stuck with a set location. I envision this layout changing and evolving over the years. By the way, what do you think of the blue pegboard we chose? Let us know in the comments below. These panels come in a variety of colors. Sadly, no purple yet, but you know I'd have to have that at my house.
What we learned.
We installed these wall panels in 2 different ways. On one side we did all the way across and then the bottom row, and the other side we did one up and one down. And we found out that doing it one up and one down was way more efficient and way more accurate.
To attach the anchors, we used a mallet, but we found it was a little bit of a challenge when we were using an anchor right next to a wall control pegboard. So if we were to do this again, we use a smaller head mallet.
Wall control has a large variety of different kinds of pegs to store all the different things you need to put on the wall. The ones we really liked and wish we had more of were these long ones. They're very versatile and we probably could use a dozen.
If you like this project, you're probably going to like our whole garage makeover series, which you can find here on YouTube, or you can always find us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new projects. Yes!
We
did it!
Okay, air.
Air.